rubbish is that? How can they humiliate me like that?
Akonam, please calm down.
Do I deserve such humiliation?
Akonam, please, can you just...
I should calm down for what, sir? For what? Why are you telling me to calm down now? Huh? Don't tell me. To calm down to do what?
Can you stop?
Stop what?
I'll be telling you to stop. Calm down. Okay, see, let me tell you.
Hey,
allow me to...
You're not shouting at me.
Shouting at you as what? Listen, let me talk to you. You're here shouting. Why be like this? See, you have to go and look for another woman to get married to. Because Uchechi and Emenike, these people are meant to be together. They don't want you.
What do you mean they are meant to be? Huh? Do like this. And kill your what? No. What are you saying? That Uchechi and I are not meant together. Oh, now I see. Now I see because he's your friend. Instead of you to stand by your brother, now you are standing by your friend. Eh? When you're supposed to fight, they humiliated your brother. You're supposed to fight for me as a younger brother. But what happened? What happened? You're standing by your friend. No problem, oh.
See, let me tell you what you don't understand.
Tell me, I'm listening.
Please, if you must go and look for another woman, don't worry about it. I've told you before. I will support you in any way that I can.
I said keep quiet! Keep quiet! See, listen!
Hey, don't ever try it. I've been respecting you.
Meaning what?
You cannot even do it. See, let me tell you.
I will
respect you as my elder brother. If not, I will show you who I am. I think you don't know who I am. Are you listening to me? Please, be a man and focus on your life and know what you want to do. If a woman doesn't want to marry you, are you going to force her? What's wrong with you? Why behave like a kid?
It's all right. No problem, oh. Now I see you want to fight your elder brother. We are supposed to be standing by him. You see this house? It's our house. But I am the first son, and I'm going to inherit this house. In short, it's not my house. I don't want to see you in this house again. Pack your things and go and stay with your friend, Emenike. I am going inside. I don't want to see you close to that door. Now. Very good. So you are serious. I don't want to see you inside this house.
Let me tell you.
I don't want you to come inside. See, I will fight you. Don't let me pour that anger on you. Don't follow me inside this house.
You will not do anything.
All right.
This house, I'm the one that rules this house.
Very good.
You're just...
I said don't
talk inside. Open this door.
And stay with Emenike, your friend.
Open this door, my friend.
I have evicted.
Because I've been keeping quiet and you was my senior brother. And so what?
I am the landlord of this house.
You are not any landlord.
You are not.
You are not. Open this door. I will break this door. Even this door, I'm the one that built it.
You have been evacuated.
See, let me tell you. I can build any house I want. If I like, see, open this door.
Hey. Uchechi. Uchechi, come out. What is this? Come out. Come out. Now listen to me. If you know I'm not talking to you, shift. I'm talking to her. Uchechi, listen. If you know you are not going to get married to me, go to your father's house now. Pack all the things I have bought for you and bring them to me. Now!
Excuse me?
Excuse me what? Huh? Excuse me what?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know she belongs to me?
Oh! She belongs to you?
Yes!
Where were you when I was taking care of her? No, tell me. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Where were you when I was taking care of the same woman you said belongs to you? Where were you? Tell me. Tell me!
Enough, Akonam. Enough already.
What do you mean enough?
Do not talk to my man like that.
Alright, very good.
I don't like it.
I'm here, very good. Now
Wait.
listen to me. Okay.
You said you want all the things that you've given to me.
Exactly.
You will have them.
Good.
You will. Are you satisfied?
Good. Yes, I'm ready. So now, go to your father's house. I'm waiting for you. Pack them and give it to me.
So you actually want her to give back to you everything you gave to her?
Do you think I'm joking?
Then you should be ashamed of yourself.
Then you should be ashamed of yourself too. You should be ashamed of yourself too.
Call yourself a man.
No, you call yourself a woman. A man that cannot take care of his wife. Please come back.
I'm coming.
Come where? You are going. You are telling me you are coming. You are going. You are telling me you are coming. Let's go now. If I open this door and come there, you not like me.
You have to wait there. Let me get something inside. Okay, let's go.
Akonam.
What is it?
Be careful.
I should be careful.
Yes.
I should be careful. You should be careful also.
Look at your right eye.
Look at your head.
Look at your right
Look
eye.
at your head.
Have you forgotten the color of your right eye?
No, I haven't forgotten. Look at your head.
Look at your head. Carry wrapper like imam in Muslim. Look at it.
Listen,
Mosque.
look at your
Those
eye.
people that will tie their hair like.
I will punch your eye again.
I will break this your head again. They will tie it very well like all those imam people. Idiots. You want that? I cannot take your.
Don't hit that gate again.
I will hit them. What will happen? What will happen? Hey, hurry up! I'm waiting. Oh.
These are your things. Can you then leave me alone to live my life in peace? Can you? Can I not live in peace?
Come on.
Can I not have peace of mind?
No, I didn't mean it. I was just playing with you. Come on, don't do this.
Don't do what? Please, don't try that nonsense with me. I am not cut out for that rubbish.
Oh no, baby, listen. I'm serious. I can never help you.
Yes,
You know when a man is in love, he don't stop.
You are mad. In fact, you have totally gone insane, Akonam.
It's a symptom of love. Come on, don't do.
I think so. Leave my father's house.
No, please don't do that. Don't.
Leave my father's house.
You know I love you so.
Leave my father's house.
I'm dying.
You will give me.
Please.
If you die, I come for your burial. Get up.
Don't do this to me.
And don't ever, in your next life, don't ever repeat this journey again.
No problem. If that's how you want it, no problem. Give me my human hair.
Which one?
Don't worry, I'm putting on.
You should be ashamed of yourself. All the times I came to your house, cooked for you, will I take them back? All the errands I've run for you, will I take them back? You're very, very
stupid. Did you from the food?
Let's get out.
Give me my human hair. Give me my hair. Give me my attachment.
Chidia. What's that? What's that man? Get out of here.
Aya, come and tell me what happened. I collected everything I bought for her. Are you serious? Yes. Aya, come and sit down. Sit down. See, you know you're my senior brother, and I will not lie to you. What happened has happened. There are so many women in this village, even in our neighboring villages. Find one. I promise you I will sponsor your wedding to the last. Does that mean yes?
Yes. I mean, destiny cannot be changed.
Wow. Thank you for understanding this whole thing. See, let's go and palm wine and isieu for you to calm down.
I don't have appetite. I'm not going.
What do you mean you don't have appetite? Elder brother, let's go, Joe.
I have respect again.
Okay, no problem.
Senior brother, I'm coming back. Let me just go and come back. Talk, okay? Just take it easy.
See, brother, I'm sorry about what happened to you. When I heard it, I told my fiancé that I know this man very well. That he cannot do this thing they accused him of.
Yeah, brother. God saved my life. It was God who saved me. I mean, I heard that the young boy started crying. Crying, no. Seriously. He was even hitting his head on the wall.
Are you serious?
When the warders brought him out, he confessed and said he saw somebody in white flogging him. Flogging him to confess. Everybody was surprised. He eventually said his brother, in fact, his only brother, was responsible. My brother, that's how I regained my freedom.
See,
That's
this
how I
your
regained my
story.
freedom.
This your story is like what they used to tell in a movie. Nevertheless, I will give you some money. So by next week, you go and pay Uchechi's bride price.
My brother, I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I'm grateful. I appreciate everything. I don't even know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, my brother. You don't have to say anything. You are my blood. My brother, I will see you before I go. Get ready. When next I come back to this village, we are going hunting.
I knew you were going to say that. But did you say hunting?
I said hunting. Okay?
You want to hunt again?
Of course. Why are you laughing at me?
One day. Have you forgotten your last experience with that antelope?
Oga, I'm coming prepared.
Have you forgotten?
Oga,
Your last-
Oga, I don't buy compassion. I'm coming prepared this time. No stories. Okay, no get job.
Okay, enjoy.
My love. It's bitter leaf soup. I missed it.
No, it's okay.
Right. Come on. I'm eating. Come and join me.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I have eaten. Thank you. Imenike, I came to tell the both of you that I do not hate you people. I love the both of you as my family. What happened previous day was as a result of frustration and anger. So please, you people should forget. Let's go. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I've heard you.
All right, thank you.
Well, thanks for your understanding.
You are welcome.
You said you do not want to eat.
No. I've eaten before. I'm hungry. I will take my leave now.
All right. Thanks for
Minigi. All right, see you.
unbelievable.
Name.
I pray for two of you that whatever God has destined for both of you shall come to pass.
Yeah.
Your joy shall not be cut short. Your lives shall not be cut short. And any enemy that wants to come after you, they shall stumble and fall. So shall it be. You can stand up. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm not happy. Tell me the last time you're going to buy me fish from Eke. Or you did not buy it for me.
The fish sellers are not dead now.
But you...
We'll still go and buy now.
No,
Huh?
you buy it and bring to me.
I should buy it and bring it. No problem now. So you go tell me now.
Please, you buy it this time home.
Okay, what else do you want? What? Obia. What else do you want?
I want akara.
Say something big now.
No, I don't want to join you.
Say something big. What do you want? You want a car? Or you think I can buy you a car?
No.
Eh?
No, the money you should buy one for yourself before you buy from me. But for now, just get me good on Toreka.
No. Senior brother.
You're welcome.
This one you're not at the shop. What's going
Don't
on?
mind me. I was just looking for my bed before I had your car on.
Why are you not at the shop?
I actually went to the shop. Business was very slow.
So I decided to come back and come and rest.
Come and rest.
Yes, to come and rest. No, I went to the shop this morning and business was slow, so I just decided to come and rest in the house since there was no business.
There was no business. Why other people are still at their shop and you left and came back? No problem. That's not my business.
I don't understand why.
Since I'm planning to get married, and don't ever come to ask me for more money. When you squander that money in that shop, I will not listen to you.
What is wrong with you? You just came back. You're supposed to go inside, then we'll rest. What is your problem? The second one should be stinginess. You have this money, but to spend it on your brother is a problem. What is it? You don't even have children. You don't have a wife yet. Anything happens to you now, I'll be done. I will still enjoy this money. So why don't you enjoy this money before you die or anything happens to you? Every time. Don't do this. Don't go do this. My brother has made money. So must I start suffering and everything when you can take care of me? Stop doing that. Like I told you before, God gave you what He's supposed to share for both of us. Please go. Hey. No, come, relax. I'm still talking. In as much as your baby has grown more than my own, you listen to me when I'm talking. Relax. You just came. Now listen to me. You remember the motorcycle you promised me you're going to buy for me?
What motorcycle?
Motorcycle now. You promised me you're going to buy me a motorcycle.
Akonam, I did not promise you any motorcycle.
No, you promised me. I did not promise you any motorcycle. You promised me motorcycle and you asked me what I was going to do with the motorcycle. And I told you, I want to use it for my business. I want to use it to be delivering goods for my business, for my customers. Have you forgotten? If you have forgotten, I haven't forgotten. You promised me.
Akonam, I drove from Lagos to the village.
Yes.
I need rest.
Yes, you need rest.
I never discussed or promised buying you any motorcycle.
No.
Akonam, sim nirupo.
If you have forgotten, I did not forget. You probably listen to me. If you don't want to buy me this motorcycle, there is no need entering this house. It's better you go back to Lagos, because listen to me, this house will not contain both of us.
Are you serious?
You promise me, promise and fail is a sin. So there's no way you promise your other.
Are you serious?
It's disrespectful. You cannot promise your other brother you
don't have shame,
Our money.
Elder brother, you call yourself elder brother, you don't have shame.
God, yes.
You're asking a younger brother
because
me and you were supposed to be providing for each other.
You cheated me. Go, come. If you not give it, go back to the Lagos. Come, this house is not of us. What is it?
If I drop this,
you go to you be sending money to people in the village. Your elder brother wants motorcycle. You don't want to give it to us. Don't try to. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
I'm okay.
This house will not contain both of us.
Okay, hold on.
Will you buy it for me? Yes or no? I will let you in.
Let me rest first.
Is that yes?
I don't understand what this is. Are you really my... What's wrong with you? Get it out!
Go and rest. Let me see if you bought bread. Give her the bread. Oh, you did not even buy it. You are locking this car. Come, this house will not contain both of us. You did not buy a bread. I don't want to buy a motorcycle.
Akonam, are you not going to the shop today?
I will.
When?
Later.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Why are you lazing around?
Napoala. No. Are you now mad? Because your brain is now plenty than my own now. You think are you crazy? You don't know who your other brother is. So you cannot talk to me anyhow. What is your problem? I see your business if you're not going to work.
Nonsense. You should be ashamed of yourself. Other men are in their shop making money for themselves and you're here drinking. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Are you mad? You're talking to your other brother like that? No, come. Why are you drinking Panadol in another man's headache?
Hey, I'm drinking Panadol on your head. No problem. But mark it today. Since you said I'm drinking Panadol on your head, don't ever in your life ask me for money or anything in this house.
You
again.
should have said it before now. Huh? No, you should have said it before. Oh, I see where you're coming from. Stop. Are you mad?
How?
Are you mad? Why are you pouring me water?
I can't just say I'm washing car.
Do you want me to help?
Don't even try to. You cannot buy even.
I will
You can't buy the script. Don't even try it.
What is wrong with you?
Don't even reason it.
So you don't have respect for that brother again. I will spoil this thing you call a car. Idiot. But don't worry. You will not chicken away from that. You must buy me that motorcycle. You buy it for me. Listen to me. The money you have today is our family money. God gave it to only you, and you must take care of me. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Somebody will. Let me kill my friend.
Obisco.
How you doing? My brother.
How are you? I see you.
Wow, it's been long ago.
I know. I came to confirm if you're the one.
I'm the one. I just came back last
I
night.
saw you.
How you doing now?
I'm fine. How's everything?
Fine.
Lagos is really good on you.
Brother, we just did push us.
No,
You look good, though.
no, thank you.
I'm telling you the truth.
Thank you.
Sit down, please. Bros, I beg help us get me a drink. I'm washing the car.
Napwala. No, have you gone nuts? You have gone. So you are not talking. You are sending your elder brother. Are you aware I'm other than the both of you? Come, be very careful with me. In short, there is no drink in the house. It's finished.
Why would you tell me that the drink is finished?
I said it's finished. Don't tell me that. No drink in the house.
Obi, that's okay.
I beg, please sit down.
Okay.
Emily, my friend, please. How is your wife?
She's fine.
What's my brother? Oh, wow. In fact, let me quickly buy you a drink.
No, Obi. It's too early.
It's too early. It's too early to drink. And you came up so early. Don't tell me if it's too early. What are you doing in our house?
Are we quarreling?
We are not quarreling. But when I saw Uchechi and I was in love with her, you quickly went to go and pay her bride price. Anyways, we are not quarreling.
Where is that coming from?
Where is that coming from?
Emily, let me just finish washing the car so we can go to Oga's community.
You think I don't know? You think I don't know you came here to beg for money? You came here to beg somebody you are older than money. Are you not ashamed of yourself? It's still early for me to come.
Please, let me just quickly.
Obi, let's do that immediately. It's too early to go there.
No problem. How is your wife?
My wife is fine. She sends her regards.
My brother, I don't miss you for this village.
I miss you too. I miss you. I have to start going.
No, I'm not leaving any soon.
No problem.
I did with you in the evening now.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Let me continue washing the car.
Thank you.
All right, brother.
Ogene. Can you?
Why you? Zuzu. Huh? Come. In as much as you be stupid, you are still my only brother. I have to protect you. Okay? Where did you say you go in this evening?
Senior brother. I said I'm going with my friend to Oga's community to go and drink palm wine and bushmeat.
All right, very good. If you are going this evening, make sure you go with your gun and protect yourself.
Why will I go with a gun to Oga? Why?
Oh, you've not heard. Okay, let me enlighten you. Now listen to me. There are some boys who parade themselves with gun, trying to kill people and steal from them. So protect yourself.
Boys from where?
I don't know. You ask too many questions. All I know is go with your gun and protect yourself.
Please, let me quickly. I'm not warning you, elder brother. I'm not warning you, but I'm telling you, I don't like what you did today, insulting my friend. Is there many visitor in this house? What do you have with this man? I don't like it, oh. I'm telling you, I don't like it. Stop embarrassing my friends.
All right, thank you. Please clean the car very well. When you're done, give me the key. I want to go and see my friend. Everything you have is our own. Oh. God gave you what He's supposed to give to both of us. Wash it very well.
What is it?
I will never forgive you for leaving me for Emenike.
Are you aware that you're threatening someone else's wife?
Rather, someone's wife. As long as he remains your husband, both of you will never know peace in this village. It's a promise from me.
Akonam, now listen and listen very attentively. Your threat has got nothing on me. Hey! Don't leave me alone!
Break your head.
Akonam is a lazy man. Akonam is a greedy man. Akonam but no love on your son. Brother, mind your business.
Bros, we won't go that way. I'm coming back. Okay.
Brother, mind your business. Joy, on a fully fan you couldn't prepare. Okwanyu kubu ya motalanyo funa. Joy, on a fugonanyo fadelo mamanja. Makanone kukwachacha.
See, bros, I can smell palm wine on my clothes and I'm getting irritated.
Palm wine?
Yeah, smell. It's turning my stomach, man. I feel like purging.
I don't understand. What's turning your stomach?
I think that it's.
I told you not to take too much of it now. It has white Maggie. I told you.
Are you serious?
Ago, you're asking me. Huh? Take.
Thank you, brother. Nah, I'm feeling pressed. My stomach is turning me. I feel like purging.
This guy, you have issues, though. I told you not to stop taking that thing.
Can I quickly go to this place and ease myself?
Oh yeah, now hurry up. Don't waste time, man. Obima, hurry up now.
Yeah, I'm almost done. My dad! Akonam! 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 Come! What do you mean? Come! What is it? Come, your brother! What happened to my brother? Your brother! What happened to you? Just follow me! Just follow me! Hey! My brother! Huh?
My elders. I did not kill Obima.
You killed my brother! You shot him! What are you saying?
Akonam, I called you 3 times now. Do you realize the implication of what you are saying?
What do you mean implication? What implication? Iche, if not for the respect I have for you, I'll say you are stupid. Huh? Are you not calling me a fool? Are you calling me a fool? Are you trying to tell me I don't know what I'm saying? Instead of it to be telling us a suitable punishment that will befit him, you are telling me suitable what are you saying?
Now let's get something very clear here. Did you follow them to where they went to eat bushmeat and drink palm wine? Or do you have a tangible evidence other than this?
What tangible evidence are you talking about? No, tell me. What tangible evidence? He went with my brother to go and eat bushmeat and drink some palm wine, and my brother did not return. He came back alone. No, he should tell us who now killed my brother. If he didn't kill him, then he should tell us who killed my brother. Can't you see the connection I'm talking about?
No, put one or two together, you see it. He killed my brother.
Akonam, what you have just said here has shown you have no evidence. You have no tangible evidence to hold him that he shot your brother. Please, save your trouble. Go and bury your brother.
Oh, my brother. My brother, you can see from where you are. I see conspiracy. But no problem. No problem. I will shed blood in this village. Your blood will flow. I will fight for my brother. No problem. Your blood will flow in this village. It's a promise.
It is your blood that will flow. Akonam.
I'll come for you people. I will come for you people. I'm not scared of anybody in this village. He killed my brother and he will pay. No problem.
My elders. On our way back from Uga community, Obima complained he was pressed and needed to ease himself. He went straight into the bush to do that while I waited for him. And suddenly, I heard gunshots. I ran for my life. That's all I can remember. I am innocent.
It's all right. Emenike, we'll get to the bottom of it all. It's all right.
What do you want?
Good morning, Akonam.
And what is good about the money? Huh? So listen, don't ever in your life greet me again. You didn't hear that?
I'm sorry, I will not greet you again. But I've come here for us to talk.
Talk about what?
Your brother.
What happened to him?
His death.
So?
My sincere condolences. I'm sorry. Sorry for your loss.
It's not coming from your house. Bye-bye. Go.
Please.
I take it out!
You will not...
What? Zimbabwe.
That was what happened.
You have to leave the village for a while.
Leave the village for a while? Where do I go?
To the city.
To the city?
Yes.
People will think I'm guilty.
No. You don't have to worry about what people will say. You just have to leave the village for now. Anyway, I arranged with one of my friends to come pick you tomorrow morning for anyone.
It's alright. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks. So you think you can run?
You want to run after killing my brother?
You can't.
Please drop that gun.
I will shoot you now. I will shoot if I let throw from your mouth again.
This is an abomination. Yes, it is an abomination for someone to raise a gun against man. And I guess you know the meaning of that.
And you listen.
is not over. I will come for you! Your blood must flow! I will come for you. I will come for you!
Why did you die and leave only me this wicked one?
You're still crying?
What am I living for? I'm the only person in this world. Oh, my brother left me alone.
Akona, you've cried enough. Eh? If crying would have brought your brother back, trust me, he would have returned to you by now.
It's not easy. You don't know what I am going through.
Akona, I'm so sorry. I understand all you're going through. But right now, you need to be strong. Be a man. Please.
It's not easy. It's not easy. I want to stop, but it's not easy for me.
Akona, please. Stop. Please.
Hey, my brother. I'm not an orphan. I'm left alone in this wicked world. No brother, no parent, no sister.
I'm sorry. Akona.
What is wicked?
Akonam is a lazy man. Akonam is a greedy man. Akonam no beya no lobonya zana. Brother, mind your business, yo. Akonam, this young man no called Akonam is lazy, yo. No be only lazy man, be Julia Lo. Walking across the lake, busy brother, mind your business.
Agaracha is back. I knew you must come back to this village. After they must have licked you, suck you, finish you. I know they will throw you away. You come back to this village. But don't worry, oh. Don't worry. I will come for you. I will come for you. Get ready. Get ready for me, oh. The battle is not over yet. Get ready for me. I will come for you. Don't worry.
You're welcome. I know. Makapwago.
Thank you.
You're looking very good.
How have you been?
You know, right? Missing you.
I know.
You used to come back.
I've missed you too, but I'm back now. Here, there you go.
Hey.
How have you been?
I'm fine. I've really been missing you. I know. I've been missing you. I'll give
you money so that you make the
no.
I'll be eating your food.
You eat it out. What is it?
So you cannot greet.
I thought you said I should stop greeting you.
That is true. But then I was still very angry now. I was angry over my brother's death. Huh? Come on, that's past now. You can start greeting me now. And moreover, I know we are very good friends.
We've been good friends, but you literally turned to my enemy when I didn't even do anything to you.
Who will not be angry? Eh? my only brother was shot by his best friend. Is it enough for me to be angry?
Well, I'm sorry about that, but my husband did not kill your mother.
Anyway, that aside has passed.
It's okay.
So tell me, how's your husband?
It's fine.
I had his back.
Yes, he just got back.
That reminds me. So how are you coping?
With what?
With his new wife, his Etiko wife, city wife. Did your husband come with her?
What are you talking about? Whose wife? Who's your... Are you sure you're talking about my husband or someone else?
You have started again. You started pretending. We men, people like to pretend. Pretend as if you don't know what is going on. But as you know. So you want to
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are we not friends? So you cannot just confide in me. You cannot tell me yes, you know what? Okay. Anyway, no problem.
I'm not pretending, please. If there's anything you know about my husband, just tell me. I don't know.
So that you go and start telling the villagers that it was Accusations that came to tell you that my husband now has another girl in the city and everything. It is me who want to put in there. It is not me.
Wait. Leave me. Listen, I'm tired. This place is too hot. I don't want to sweat. I said leave me alone. I don't want to sweat.
Uchechi, since I got back, you've been acting very strange. What is the problem?
What about your city woman? The woman you kept in the city. What about her? You think I wouldn't know?
Which woman?
You know what I'm talking about, the same which woman? What about the woman you kept in the city?
I don't understand. What do you mean I kept a woman in the city?
God.
Who told you I kept a woman in the city?
The people that know you too well told me. Oh, you think I wouldn't find out? You think it will be hidden forever? Okay.
Uchechi, is this what you're doing? You did this yesterday, I kept quiet, and now you're doing the same thing today.
Why are you denying it? Why are you being such a useless man? Why?
Uchechi, you called me a useless man.
A man that left his beautiful wife here in the village went to the city to get one prostitute. What is he? A complete useless man.
Uchechi, you called me a useless man. Because I want to take what rightfully belongs to me.
What belongs to you? What is it that belongs to you? You cannot cross here again. Okay.
Uchechi.
Hey.
Uchechi. I paid your bride price. This rightfully belongs to me.
And because of what you have done, you have lost the privilege. You cannot cross here again. You can't cross here again. Yes.
Okay. I have seen that you have lost your senses.
So why do you not cross?
I've seen you've lost your senses.
Okay. After ranting, you come and touch me.
No, but I'll touch you, you're my wife.
You will not. No.
I paid your bride price.
So it
belongs to me.
That privilege is gone.
How is it gone?
No. Go to that your city.
We shall see now.
Why here na fool? What? We shall see nothing. I forget about what. If they drop a chair, what kind of nonsense is this? You came here.
Uchechi, I just went into the kitchen. There's no food. Is there no food in this house?
I finished the food. Cook or eat the lacha. Go to your city wife. Let her give you food.
What city wife, Uchechi?
You know what I'm talking about, too. In fact, you don't even need to sleep on this bed. Go to the parlor. No food for you. Agoga, sugar. So you don't do this kind of thing to me. After everything.
Uchechi, come.
Hey!
Uchechi,
don't touch me.
Uchechi, go.
Do not touch me, oh.
Yeah.
Don't. Hey. I don't want to go.
Uchechi.
I will fight.
Uchechi, wait.
Leave me. I don't know.
Uchechi.
Leave me. You cannot have access. I'll wait forever. You cannot have access anymore. Go to your city wife. You cannot. Not anymore.
If what your husband just said is the truth, Uchechi, then you have failed me. could you do a thing like that? You don't know you're creating a big trouble for yourself?
Papa, I have not done anything wrong. As a matter of fact, I am very, very comfortable with what is really happening now. Do you know that this man seated beside you has a woman in the city? He married another woman, kept her there, and then of course came here to lie to me. If he doesn't send that woman away, he will never see these ties of mine. He will never. I don't want to contract any disease. You cannot infect me. You want to go? You can't.
My in-law, I invited you here, not because I don't know what to do, but because of the respect I have for you. You see, if this nonsense continues, if this rubbish continues, I'll have no choice but take another wife. Your daughter has been avoiding me for over 3 months. Is that good? Didn't I pay her bride price? Is she not rightfully mine? Why is she denying me of what belongs to me?
My in-law, is that fair?
Oh, you bokeh nasu. Not even Awagi. Hey, Meniki, you're just speaking English. If you like, married 10 wives is none of my business. It is not, oh.
Uchechi, shut up. I said shut up, Uchechi. In fact, I'm too ashamed to get involved in this kind of discussion.
Papa, is this all you have to say? You are supporting him against your own daughter. What, Papa? Oh, you went to call my father. This is just the beginning, no? We haven't seen anything yet.
Oh, so has he confessed?
He hasn't, oh. He's still denying.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. But listen, I will still advise you. You have to be very wise. You have to use your sense. You know these city women? All of them, all they do is pion. They come here, they open leg. They come here, they open, and they don't even use protection. See, 91.1 of them, they have sickness. Sickness, city. I know you've not gone to the city before, but I will tell you I have experience. I've been there before. They don't use protection. They call nigaro. They leave everything inside. They're infected though. It should not be good to be in this village. Now here, Uchechi has sickness. There are even some servitude. Don't they rotty? Yes. Smelling everything. So
it's okay.
Don't worry. So that will advise you just.
But wait, oh. Thank you for all you have said to me, but why are you being so nice?
Because I care so much about you. And you know I'm a good man. Huh? I will not hear things like this and I will not come to tell you to protect yourself.
It's okay. Let me run along.
Alright, at the same time, when you get home, think about what I told you. Sometimes some people pay me to give them this kind of information, but because of the love I have for you, because I care so much about you, I'm giving it for you free. So put 1 and 2 together and use your sense. Even if you cannot zip up. You zip up. Do not open legs for him again if he doesn't want to confess. He doesn't want to tell you the truth. Zip your legs. Huh?
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Akona.
All right, take care. Okay, good.
What is going on?
What do you mean, what is going on? I don't understand.
Do you like the crisis going on in your family? Chichi, why not you just calm down so that peace will reign?
Hey God, what do you mean by that? Are you trying to say I am not a peaceful person? You don't even know what is happening and you're here talking.
Uchechi, everyone in this village is talking about you, your husband and Akona. I suggest you stay away from him. He's only making matters worse. How do you think your husband will feel if he sees you talking with him, his enemy?
You see what I'm saying? Why is Emenike in enmity with a lot of people in this village if he's a nice man? Why?
What has happened to your sense of reasoning? Why have you suddenly changed?
Did you just ask that question? What is the only constant thing in life? Change. I have changed. It is my life. Leave it for me like that, you're good.
Chichi, you're doing yourself a big harm. Why not you calm down? Why not just calm down? No man wants to wake up by the side of a nagging woman.
Oh, is that what he told you? So that is what Emenike told you, that I'm a nagging woman. You see this thunder? Thunder will fire Emenike and every other person that have called me a nagging woman. Not just ordinary thunder, but the one from third heaven will fire everybody that has opened his or her mouth to call me a nagging woman. Nonsense.
You're an adult. I don't need to tell you what to do.
Where did you buy it? There's no water in this one.
Emenike, who is this? I'm asking you a question.
Uchechi, that's a very stupid question. That's a stupid question.
Hey.
That's a very stupid question. And by the way, why do you want to know who she is to me? Does she look like your lost sister?
Emenike, I asked you who this woman is and you're telling me this. Who is this woman?
Anyway, since you're dying to know who she is, her name is Ada. She's my new wife. She's coming to live with us.
I don't understand.
So you can keep your body to yourself.
You cannot do that now. You know that's impossible. You can't.
Says who?
Says me. I am your wife.
Anyway.
You can't do that.
Listen. And listen good. Pack your things. Everything. To the next room.
Hey.
Because she's moving in. Don't say I didn't tell you.
I should pack my things. Emenike. Chelan Mabia. And you.
Hey. Don't come for me. What's that?
I shouldn't come for you.
Are you mad or something?
No, you're the one that is raving mad. Because if you're not mad, you wouldn't be in someone else's home being so satisfied.
Our husband's house. Our home.
Whose home? Hey, look at this girl.
Uchechi, you're making noise, please.
Oh, I am not making noise.
Stop making noise here. Biko.
Emenike, you brought in another woman to our house, doing all this nonsense, and you're telling me that I'm not making noise.
She's my wife. Keep your body to yourself.
She's your wife?
She's my wife.
Okay, you go no. I'm making noise. I am making noise. You will see more of noise making. You will.
Uchechi, what nonsense is this?
Papa, hope you've been taking your medications.
Yes, I don't miss it. I've been taking it. Thank you. Can I shock you?
Tell me.
I cooked a goosey soup this evening and I enjoyed myself.
Is you?
Yes.
Hey. Okay, don't worry, Papa. Tomorrow I'll come and make stew for you so we'll put in the fridge.
That'll be thoughtful of you. Thanks so much.
Papa. Hey! Eniki has finished me.
What happened?
I'm finished though. My husband has brought in another woman into our matrimonial home. My husband. Emenike, you can't believe that.
Oh my God.
What is funny?
That's what you always wanted. That's what you wanted. Enjoy your party.
Papa, I don't understand. How do you mean that is what I've always wanted? How can I want my husband bringing another woman into our house? Hey, good. You're here, you're not saying anything. I've been shouting that my husband brought in another woman into our matrimonial home and you haven't said anything.
Well, that is what you've always wanted now.
I don't understand. Oh, you people had meeting for me. What do you mean that is what I've always wanted?
What do you mean? I've been seeing you everywhere in this village with Akonam. And when me, as your friend, try to talk to you, you walk away pretending it's not important.
What has Akonam got to do with what I'm telling you? I just told you that my husband brought in another woman into our matrimonial home. You're saying this. Honestly, I need you to advise me because as it stands now, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do?
I don't know. And that stupid, useless woman that my husband brought into our house, she's obviously mad. You need to see the way she looks. And then she opened her mouth and told me that she's going to tear me apart. In my own husband's house. Mua. Uchechi. What come here and get me because I don't know what to do. That is why I'm asking. Tell me what to do. I need to solve this situation.
You want me to advise you on what to do?
Exactly.
Okay, listen. You know your way to Akonam's house, right? Go to Akonam's house and seek for solution. Because he's been the one guiding you all this while.
Ego, okay? Papa, Kachiko. So everybody is now against me. Now, I will stand up like a lioness and fight.
Oh, Etiko day.
Good day, sir.
Afternoon, my dear. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Oh, I can see that. So how's Uchechi?
She's fine.
Okay. Looks like you're heading home.
Yes, go home.
I'm actually heading to the palace.
Okay.
But let me drop you home, then I can continue my journey.
It's okay, sir. Don't worry, I'm close.
I don't mind, okay? Hop in the car.
Okay.
Is he dead?
What about
Is he dead?
He's dead now.
No.
Why are you crying?
No.
You don't have Listen, you don't have to cry.
No.
Listen, you have to stop crying because he died out of his evil deeds. No one forced him to take the oath he took.
It's not true. Emenike is innocent.
What do you mean he's innocent? Well, I'm off to see the elders. Ndichie. I want to tell them what is happening. Or what has happened, rather.
Uchechi, that's too early.